Okay, so today we are going to learn how to draw an everyday object. Our we can draw an everyday object. That means things that you see every day. So we're gonna work today on some different cups and mugs. It could be a cup for tea or coffee or a travel mug or hot chocolate. You're gonna turn it into whatever kind of mug that you want it to be. So we're gonna practice in our journal 3 different mugs, and then you get to choose the one that you wanna make and turn it into your own artwork. So we're first gonna start with a smaller mug, kind of like a teacup. And we're gonna start with an oval for the top of the mug because it's round. And so it's a small, skinny oval. Inside of that, we're going to do a curved line, and that will be the tea or the coffee or the hot chocolate or whatever we want to put inside of there. And then we're going to do 2 lines straight down. And then we're going to connect that with a curved line. So you can make this as big or as small as you want to when you start working on your project. For the handle, we're going to use a backward C and then another one inside of there to give the handle a thickness. The bottom of the mug, we're going to do part of an oval. And then you can even add a little saucer, it's called, that little plate that the teacup sits on. Maybe you're going to decorate your mug and add some little designs or decorations to it. Maybe there's some steam coming out. You could do it in straight lines or swirly lines. So you can change that and practice that later once you start on your good paper. Next, we're gonna do a taller mug. So we're gonna start again with an oval, but we're not gonna see the coffee or the tea that's inside because it's taller. And we're gonna do 2 lines straight down, 2 vertical lines, but a little bit longer this time. And then a curved line at the bottom because the bottom of the mug is curved. It's a cylinder. So this makes it look more like a cylinder. And then we're gonna add the handle. This time we'll do it on the other side. So a C and then a C inside. Again, you can make that as thick or as wide or as big as you want to. And then you can add any kind of decorations. Maybe you're gonna put a word on here. Maybe you're gonna add some kind of drawing on here. Maybe you love cats or dogs. You can add some things on here that you love. The last one we're gonna do is a travel mug. So this one's kind of a tall, skinnier mug. So we're gonna start with 2 diagonal lines facing in. We're gonna connect them at the bottom with a curved line. And then I'm gonna make the little holder that they put on the travel mugs. This is kind of a piece that protects your hands, and you can decorate this however you want to too. You could put a logo on there, you could put something that you love on there, or a word or a name. The lid for the mug is just a horizontal line, and notice that I drew it sticking out a little bit from the diagonal lines. Then we're going to do a diagonal up on either side and connect those together. And then the top part of the lid where you drink out of is just a skinny rectangle. So that's it for the 3 mugs. Now what you're going to do is pick your best one, your favorite one, add some details and make it your own, and draw it much, much bigger on your good paper.